upset. I have been known to blow up. Well, no, I literally blow up. Okay, like a bomb.
Bigger than a castle where you're in Australia. They wanna be like me, but they can't be like this. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Walked in, they scared of me. They wanna be like Mo, there's no comparison. They wanna be like Chickadee singing in the wind. Hold up, hate me on it, yeah, I'm not there.
You're welcome. Take that, tree! Eat my foot! Tasty!
Don't know what you heard, don't know what you heard, but I'm the biggest bird. 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 I'm the biggest bird.
You guys are all nuts, huh, big man?
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Are we speaking telepathically, or you're just...
Hey, pee on this.
Good talk.
Fly above me, don't wanna give me no company. It's okay with me. You can't be on my perch. You cannot.